Preparing for an SSDI hearing before an administrative law judge can feel intimidating, but understanding some common mistakes can help you approach the hearing with greater confidence. One of the most frequent mistakes is focusing entirely on a diagnosis. Simply having a medical condition is not enough to qualify for SSDI benefits. The judge is trying to determine how that condition affects your ability to perform work activities on a consistent basis. That's why it's important to explain your limitations, not just your medical labels. Another common mistake is giving answers that are too brief or too vague. For example, if you're asked about pain, fatigue, anxiety, or other symptoms, provide specific details about how those symptoms affect your daily life. Explain what tasks are difficult, how often problems occur, and what happens when you try to push through them. Some people also unintentionally understate their symptoms because they are accustomed to living with them. Others may feel uncomfortable discussing personal struggles. While honesty is always critical, the hearing is your opportunity to give the judge an accurate picture of the challenges you face every day. A related issue is failing to stay current with medical treatment whenever possible. Judges often review treatment records closely. Consistent medical documentation can help support the severity and ongoing nature of your condition. Claimants sometimes arrive at the hearing without reviewing their work history, medical records, or prior statements submitted to Social Security. Taking time to refresh your memory beforehand can help prevent confusion and ensure your testimony is consistent with the evidence in the file. It's also important to listen carefully to each question and answer only what is being asked. If you don't understand a question, it's perfectly acceptable to ask for clarification rather than guessing. At Disability Advocates Group, we help clients prepare for SSDI hearings by reviewing their cases, discussing common hearing questions, identifying potential problem areas, and helping them understand what to expect before they appear before an administrative law judge. Our team works with clients throughout the SSDI process to help ensure that medical evidence, work history information, and testimony are presented as clearly and effectively as possible. If you're considering applying for SSDI or appealing a denial, call Disability Advocates Group at 800-788-2095 for a free consultation or visit ssdianswers.com to see if you may qualify. Disclaimer: this video provides general information about SSDI. It does not constitute legal advice.